Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting this channel. Thank you and welcome to this video. Let A, B, C and D be the positive real numbers such that A plus B plus C plus D equals to 11 if the maximum value of A power 5, B power 3, C power 2 and D equals to 3750 times of beta, then the value of beta is, four options are given, 55, 108, 90 and 110. So I don't claim that this is the only method to solve it, but I am solving this using arithmetic geometric mean concept. We know that arithmetic mean of different numbers or n numbers is always greater than their geometric means. So here the numbers are A, B, C, D, 11, but instead I'll take here these numbers as A over 5, A over 5, A over 5, A over 5, A over 5. These 5 numbers gives me A. Then B power 3 is there, so I'll write B power B divided by 3, B over 3, B over 3. Then C, I'll write C by 2, C over 2 and D alone. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I am taking the arithmetic mean of these numbers. So it will be A over 5 plus 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 B over 3 plus B over 3 plus B over 3 plus C over 2 plus C over 2 plus D, and their arithmetic mean will be over here 11 is greater than equals to A by 5. How many times? It is 5. B by 3, how many times? It is 3 times. C by 2, 2 times, and D. And whole power your 11th root. Eleventh root of this, because there are 11 terms. So here I am getting A plus B plus C plus D for 11 is greater than equals to A power 5, B power 3, C power 2, D whole divided by 5 power 5, 3 power 3, 2 power 2 and your 1. It's 11th root. Now what is A plus B plus C plus D? That is 11. So 11 over 11 is greater than equals to your A5, B3, C power 2, D over 5 power 5, 3 power 3, 2 power 2 and 1 to the power 1 by 11. So 11 by 11 left hand side I am getting 1. This is your 1. So A power 5, B power 3, C power 2, D power D over here 5 power 5, 3 power 3, 2 power 2 is greater than equals to 1 power 11. So A power 5, B power 3, C power D. This is not greater than, this will be lesser than only. So D is less than equals to 5 power 5, 3 power 3 and 2 power 2. So we can calculate this one. So we are getting the maximum value of a power 5, b power 3, c power 2 and d is less than equals to this is 125. So it will be 125 multiplies 25 multiplies 27 multiplies 4. So it will multiply. This gives the value a power 5, b power 3, c power 2, d is less than equals to 337500. And what is given? It is given that maximum value of a power 5, b power 3, c power 2, d equals to 3750 beta, and we have to find beta. So 3750 beta equals to your 337500, then beta equals to 33750 over 3750. So we can cancel, it will be 90. So the value of beta is 90. So which one is correct? Third option is correct. Thank you for watching.